home and half my money at the general store. I said, now buy a little groceries and don't spend no more. There's sheep pins and dogs for 10 cents a hat, and bought some store-bought cat food on that mean nightcap. When I woke up this morning and I turned my head, there wasn't a god-big thing on the side of the bed. I found a little note where her head belonged. It said, dear John, honey baby, I'm long gone. Well, I heard the whistle blowing and the big wheels are turning. I was scared as I could be, so I put on my overalls and I headed to town. I'm gonna bring her back with me. I asked the man down at the station if he had seen her there. I told him all about your pretty eyes and long blonde hair. He spit his tobacco and said, I'll be dead blame. I believe I did see her leaving on the eastbound train. I bought a round-trip ticket on the eastbound train, and I was broke as I could be. But when I come back, I gotta buy another ticket, gonna bring her back with me. Well, I got off the train somewhere in Arkansas, and I worked up the guts to call my mother-in-law. She said, I tell you where she is if you act right. She's working for the 12 Truckers World tonight. Now when I came in, she saw me and she took off her apron and she grabbed her going home hand. She bought a ticket with her tips. Now we're curled up on the sofa, me and her and that mean nightcap. Dank u wel.